Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to English class, children. Okay, this is our revision video, and today we will revise grammar. Many children have said that they haven't read lesson 1 and 2, so we will revise today lesson 1 and rhyme. Lesson 1, Our Daughter's Love. Our daughter's love. Okay, children. Now let's start. It's a story about the relationship between a father and his daughter. Or how a father and her daughter relationship is there. This story is all about that. Many years ago, there was a king in England called Lear. In England there was a king named Lear. Many years ago, children. He was a wise and generous king who had ruled over his kingdom for many years. Generous, जो दयालु हो, देता हो, जिसका दिल बहुत बड़ा हो, बांटता हो, कंजूस ना हो. वाइस मतलब सीधा, ईमानदार. Okay, children. So now, मतलब एक अच्छा राजा था, who had ruled over his kingdom for many years, but he was becoming old. Now he was becoming old. He has ruled many years over his kingdom. उसने अपने राज्य पे बहुत साल राज्य किया, but now he has become old. He felt it was time to pass on his kingdom to his daughters. So he felt that now he should give his kingdom to his daughters, that now they will rule the kingdom. One day King Lear decided to ask his 3 daughters a question. The 2 eldest daughters, Gunrill and Regan, lied to their father. Now see, children, here they have used comparisons of adjective. Eldest मतलब सबसे बड़ी. Now he had 3 daughters, so it was difficult for him to decide to whom to pass on his kingdom. So he thought that I should select one. So he thought that I should ask a question from 3 of them. Then he asked a question, and his 2 eldest daughters lied to him. They said lie to him. Well, dears, tell me how much you love me. He said that how much all 3 of you love me. Sir, you are the dearer to me than my eyesight or life. His one daughter said that you are dearer than my eyesight, than my eyes. No child has ever loved her father more than I love you. That no child has loved her father so much that she has loved her father so much. And second said, I am the happiest when I am able to serve you. And second said that I am very happy, I feel happiest. Now see, they have used superlative degree. Means she has compared to all the daughters of the world. Now she is saying that she is the happiest when she serves her father. मतलब जब अपने father की देखभाल करती है, she feels the happiest. सबसे ज़्यादा खुश होती है. Cordelia was Lear's youngest daughter. Now Cordelia was the youngest of all 3. Now see, comparisons is between 2, more than 2. So they have used superlative degree. We will revise grammar simultaneously. Okay, children. Now it was her turn to express her love for her father. Now it was her turn to tell how much she loved her father. What can you say to deserve your share of the kingdom, Cordelia? Now he said, what you have to say to take your, if I give your share of kingdom, then what you have to say? She said, I love you as I should, neither more nor less. She said that as a daughter, how much a daughter should love her father, that much she loves her father, nor less nor more. You better mend that speech, Cordelia, or you may lose your fortune. Fortune means that share of his kingdom, his wealth, paisa. So he said that you should correct your statement, otherwise you will lose all this wealth. Then she said, my lord, you are my father. You have cared for me, fed me and loved me. Thus I obey you, love you and greatly honor you. She said that my lord, you are my father. As a father you have, आपने मेरी देखभाल की, मुझे पाला पोसा इतना बड़ा किया है और मुझे बहुत प्यार किया. उसके बदले में मैं आपकी केयर करती हूँ, देखभाल करती हूँ, आपसे प्यार करती हूँ और आपका सारा कहना मानती हूँ और मैं आपको बहुत इज्जत देती हूँ. King Lear found it hard to believe that Cordelia had really only felt a sense of duty towards him. Now he felt very bad that his daughter Cordelia has only felt a sense of duty. कि ठीक है डॉटर है तो उसकी जो ड्यूटी अपने फादर की तरफ, she is feeling that only. She is not telling like her two elder sisters have said. Now you also know children, they lied to her their father because they wanted the share in his kingdom. He had thought that she loved him greatly. So he used to think that Cordelia loved him very much. If this is the truth, then you will get nothing from me. He said that if this is truth, then I will not give you anything. I will not give a share of my kingdom or wealth or money, anything. You are no longer a daughter of mine. He said that now you are not daughter of mine. I disown you. I will divide your share of the kingdom between Goneril and Regan. He said that instead of dividing it into 3 parts, I will divide my share into kingdom into 2 parts between his 2 eldest daughters, Goneril and Regan. And I disown you. Disown you मतलब उसको अपने से दूर कर दिया, बेदखल कर दिया. जब मैं तुम्हारा बाप नहीं हूँ, पापा नहीं हूँ और तुम मेरी बेटी नहीं हो. The king of France was in the court when Cordelia was asked to leave. Now the king of France was there present in the court when all this thing happened. Now children, he disowned his daughter. The king of France was in the court when Cordelia was asked to leave. The king of France was there present in the court when all this thing happened. He thought her as simple and honest and hence wished to marry her. Cordelia agreed and they left for France. And he thought that Cordelia was a very simple, honest girl. She was saying truth. She didn't lie to her father. She was correct, children. So he thought that she is a nice girl. And he thought that I will marry her. And Cordelia also agreed. And they left for France. I hope my sisters take good care of my old father. I am really worried about his health. And now Cordelia said that she was a children very nice daughter. Actually, she loved her father very much. She said the truth. Now she said that she was worried about her father's health. Now and she said that she hoped that her 2 elder sisters will take good care of her father. कि वो दोनों बहनें, उसकी बड़ी बहन उसके पापा का बहुत ख्याल रखेगी. King Lear decided to stay with his eldest daughter. Now, as he divided his kingdom between his 2 eldest daughters, now he said that he decided that he will live with his 2 daughters. First, he will live with his eldest daughter. Now here children see comparison of adjective. Comparison between 3 children, 3 nouns, right? So he is using superlative degree eldest. He soon found out that Goneril was only after his kingdom. She did not take care of him. And it was right, children. He soon came to know the other two daughters were lying to him. Yes, they were just simply saying lie to him because of his kingdom, because of his wealth, which they got it. And now they started disrespecting their father. और अब उन्होंने अपने फादर को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, उनको दुखी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया। क्यों? वो तो उसके पैसे के पीछे थी। एंड दे गॉट इट। और अब उसने अपने पापा का ख्याल रखना भी छोड़ दिया। नाउ ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही शुड लिव विद हिज सेकंड डॉटर। Soon King Lear realized that his second daughter was equally cruel and selfish. Cruel means children क्रूर, जिसमें दया ना हो, and selfish जो अपने बारे में सोचता हो। And soon he came to know that his second daughter is equally selfish and cruel like his eldest daughter. That she is the same like his eldest daughter. Now there is nothing difference between the two. They both lied to their father. She was equally selfish, equally bad, like his first daughter. I would rather beg on the streets than be disrespected by my daughters. Oh, how I miss Cordelia today. Now he realized that what wrong he has done. Now he realized that how much Cordelia used to love him, and he said that instead of disrespecting, behaving like this, living like this, he would rather beg on the streets. Means इस तरह बेइज्जत होके रहने से अच्छा है, दुखी रहने से अच्छा है कि मैं सड़कों पर भीख मांगूं। King Lear said to himself, and now he came to know that how much Cordelia loved him and how much truth she was saying, how much honest she was. Meanwhile, Cordelia was worried about her father's health. England and France were at war with each other at that time. और अब जो है कोडेलिया, she was a very nice girl and she truly loved her father. वो सच में अपने पापा से बहुत प्यार करती थी। And she was very worried about her father. उसे पता था कि उसकी दोनों बहनें उसके पापा का ख्याल नहीं रखेंगी। So she was worried about her father. Now what happened? She was now the queen of France. और फ्रांस और इंग्लैंड में उस समय लड़ाई चल रही थी। They were at war. And she was the queen of France, so she could not enter England anymore. Now she was the queen of France, so she could not enter England anymore. Now she could enter in England. Thus she decided to attack England and rescue her father. So she decided that she will attack on England and rescue, अपने पापा को बचा लेगी। Rescue means बचा ले। However, the French army is defeated by the English and she is imprisoned. Imprisoned मतलब जेल हो जाना। अब होता क्या है, उसने लड़ाई तो कर दी लेकिन फ्रांस जो है इंग्लैंड के हाथों हार गया। It was defeated, England won and now she was imprisoned. Means अब उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया, उसे जेल हो गई। और now Cordelia is surprised to meet her father there. और उसे बहुत हैरानी हुई अपने पापा से कहाँ मिलकर, जेल में। अपने पापा को जेल में देखकर कोडेलिया को बहुत हैरानी हुई। Don't laugh at me, young lady. Perhaps I am being foolish, but you look like my daughter Cordelia. Now he said that don't, मेरा मजाक मत उड़ाओ तुम। मुझे पता है मैं बेवकूफ हूँ, मैं ना समझूं, मैं नहीं समझ पाया। But you look like my daughter Cordelia. पर तुम मेरी डॉटर कोडेलिया की तरह लग रही हो। Cordelia and Lear are overjoyed to meet each other after such a long time. और कोडेलिया और किंग लियर आपस में मिलके इतने after such a long time they met each other and they were too happy वो बहुत ज्यादा खुश थे। दे वर वेरी हैप्पी टू मीट ईच अदर आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम। एक दूसरे से मिलने लंबे समय बाद मिलकर दोनों को बहुत खुशी हुई। यस फादर, आई एम योर कॉर्डेलिया। I have been looking all over for you. Finally, I have found you, father. I will never let you go. अब वो कह रही हाँ पापा, मैं आप ही की कॉर्डेलिया हूँ एंड मैं कब से आपको ढूंढ रही थी और अब इतने ढूंढने के बाद आप जाके आप कहीं मुझे मिले हो। मैं अब आपको अपने से दूर नहीं जाने दूंगी। Forgive me, my child, for I am old and foolish. I have caused you a lot of pain. Now King Lear is saying, forgive me मतलब माफ करना। अब वो कह रहा है कि प्लीज मेरी बच्ची, मेरे बेटे, मुझे माफ कर दो। मैं गलत था, मैं बेवकूफ था, मैं ना समझता, मैं तुम्हें समझ नहीं पाया, मैंने तुम्हें बहुत दुख दिया है। I have caused you a lot of pain. मैंने तुम्हें बहुत दुख दिया है, लेकिन अब मैं समझ गया हूँ, मुझे माफ कर दो, मैं तुम्हें समझ नहीं पाया। So this is the story all about. Okay children, so lesson 1 is complete. Now come to our rhyme. Once upon a time. First I will read a rhyme. Children, open your books and you have to read after me, so that you will be able to come to know how to read a rhyme. आपको rhyme read करनी आ जाएगी. Open your books and you have to read after me. Once upon a time, in a house so big and wide, the family that lived there were so happy inside. There was mummy and daddy, 2 little boys and girls. Every night they would gather in the living room. They would twirl. They danced and sang sweet songs there. How close the family was. The love was great they shared. You see, they showed they cared. Remember that your family can be the same way too. Just trust and love each other and share each other's thoughts. Because you need your family to communicate a lot. As you all grow older, you will always know, in the times of trials and troubles, to your family you can go. Now see children, this is a rhyme about your family, that how they loved each other. Once upon a time in a house so big and wide. एक बार की बात है, बहुत बड़े घर थे. There was a very big house and the family that lived there were so happy inside. And the family which used to live in that house was very happy family. They were very happy. There was mummy and daddy, 2 little boys and girls. Children, in that house, a small family used to live, not a joint family, a happy family. They had mummy, daddy, 2 boys and 2 girls. They had 4 children. They had 4 children. उनके 4 बच्चे थे, मम्मी पापा थे और उनके 2 boys and 2 girls. They had 2 sons and 2 daughters. 2 लड़के थे और 2 लड़कियां थी. Every night they would gather in the living room. They would twirl. Twirl means चक्का लगाना. And every night living room, children जिसमें आपके सोफा होते हैं, आपके गेस्ट को आप रिसीव करते हो, बिठाते हो, ड्राइंग रूम जिसे हम बोलते हैं, तो वो अपने ड्राइंग रूम में डेली दे यूज टू गैदर, वहां इकट्ठे होते थे और वहां पे रोज डांस करते थे और वहां पे गोल गोल चक्कर लगाते थे. They danced and sang sweet songs there. How close the family was. वहां पे वो रोज गाने गाते थे, रोज डांस करते थे, उनमें आपस में कितना प्यार था. The love was great they shared. You see, they showed they cared. चिल्ड्रन, उनमें आपस में बहुत प्यार था और वो एक दूसरे की तरफ बहुत प्यार करते थे एक दूसरे से और एक दूसरे की बहुत देखभाल करते थे. They cared for each other. वो दिखाते थे कि हाँ हम देखो तुमसे कितना प्यार करते हैं, एक दूसरे की कितनी देखभाल करते हैं. Remember that your family can be the same way too. Just trust and love each other and share each other's thoughts. और वो कह रहे हैं कि आपकी भी फैमिली ऐसी हो सकती है, सिर्फ उस प्यार और विश्वास की जरूरत है. आपस में बात करने की जरूरत है। कम्युनिकेट मतलब बातचीत करना। बिकॉज यू नीड योर फैमिली टू कम्युनिकेट और, क्योंकि हमें बातचीत करने के लिए एक फैमिली की जरूरत पड़ती है। हम सबसे ज्यादा बात किससे करते हैं? अपनी फैमिली से करते हैं। तो कहते हैं ऐसी फैमिली आपकी भी हो सकती है, बस एक दूसरे पे हमें विश्वास करना चाहिए, एक दूसरे से इतना ही प्यार करना चाहिए, एक दूसरे की देखभाल करनी चाहिए, केयर करनी चाहिए एक दूसरे की, एंड वी शुड कम्युनिकेट अ लॉट। और हमें आपस में बहुत बातचीत करनी चाहिए, एक दूसरे की दुख सुख समझना चाहिए, एक दूसरे के थॉट्स ड्रीम्स शेयर करने चाहिए, तो हमारी भी इतनी हैप्पी फैमिली हो जाएगी। एज यू ऑल ग्रो ओल्डर यू विल ऑलवेज नो इन द टाइम्स ऑफ ट्रायल्स एंड ट्रबल्स टू योर फैमिली यू कैन गो। कि जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा डैट इन द टाइम्स ऑफ ट्रबल्स, ट्रायल्स एंड ट्रबल्स मीन्स मुसीबत के टाइम पे जब आपको सबसे ज्यादा अपनी फैमिली ही याद आएगी। जब भी हमें मुसीबत पड़ती है चिल्ड्रन, हम किसके पास जाते हैं? अपनी फैमिली के पास जाते हैं। और एक फैमिली होती है जब जो हमारी मुसीबत में साथ देती है। तो जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे ओनली देन यू विल बी एबल टू कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ अ फैमिली। बिकॉज वेन एवर यू विल बी इन ट्रबल, जब भी आप मुसीबत में होंगे, यू विल ऑलवेज गो बैक टू योर फैमिली। आप हमेशा अपनी फैमिली के पास जाएंगे हेल्प के लिए, एंड इट इज योर फैमिली ओनली हु विल हेल्प यू। सो वी शुड ऑलवेज लव ईच अदर, केयर फॉर ईच अदर एंड ट्रस्ट ईच अदर, एंड डेफिनेटली वी शुड कम्युनिकेट। हमें आपस में बहुत बातचीत करनी चाहिए। सो आवर राइम इज आल्सो कंप्लीट चिल्ड्रन। नाउ वी विल डू एक्सरसाइज। द फैमिली इन द पोएम इज अ रूड फैमिली, लविंग फैमिली और जॉइंट फैमिली। इट इज अ रूड मतलब बेरुखी बेकार फैमिली जिनमें लड़ाई होती हो। इट्स अ लविंग फैमिली। द फैमिली मेंबर्स सिंग एंड डांस इन द, कहाँ डांस करते हैं, कहाँ गाना गाते हैं? बेडरूम में, किचन और लिविंग रूम। इट इज लिविंग रूम। इन अ हैप्पी फैमिली ऑल मेंबर्स, एक हैप्पी फैमिली में सब मेंबर्स क्या करते हैं चिल्ड्रन? फाइट विद ईच अदर, लड़ते हैं। लव एंड ट्रस्ट ईच अदर, आपस में प्यार करते हैं। डू नॉट टॉक टू ईच अदर, आपस में बात नहीं करते। दे लव ईच अदर। ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो आवर रिविजन इज आल्सो डन। In 3 days we will try to revise as much as it is possible, and tomorrow we will revise grammar. Okay children, any difficulty you can ask me in live class, and daily please children attend your live classes as much as possible. Okay children, bye for today. Thank you. Take care.